Hello students, today we are going to discuss a sixth lesson from section A, Science, and the lesson name is Refraction of Light. Before starting the lesson, just concentrate on the name of lesson, Refraction of Light. The first thing we should make it clear what is light, and that we have discussed in the 9th standard. How we have discussed? Light is necessary to observe the things. When light is not there, we can't observe the things. That means if light is going to fall on any object, it gets reflected and enters in our eye, and we are getting sensation of vision. And on this, the definitions depend. What is light? Light is nothing but electromagnetic radiations. Yes, light is the energy. It is in the form of electromagnetic radiations. What is the work of this light? It creates a sensation of vision in our eyes. And so, what is light? Once again, make it clear. Electromagnetic radiations which create sensation of vision in our eyes, that is called as light. In 7th standard also, we have made it clear what is the propagation of light. Means how light travel from one place to another place. All kind of energies are traveling in the form of waves. And so light is also traveling in the form of waves. In 7th standard, we have learned that light is traveling in straight line. But it is half truth, because something more thing we have to discuss. See here. It travels in a straight path. It means light. Light travels in a straight path in a transparent medium. But what about opaque medium? If opaque medium is there, that means mediums are of two types. The first medium is called as opaque medium, which is not transparent, and second medium is transparent medium. Firstly, light is traveling from transparent medium to opaque medium. See here. This is the incident ray. What is incident ray? Incident ray is that ray which is coming out from the source or coming from the source. This incident ray going to collide on any surface. This side we having the transparent medium, and that side we having the opaque medium. Suppose a ball. Light is traveling and colliding with the ball. Where it is colliding, this point, the red color indicates the point of incidence, where light is going to collide with the ball. And after colliding, light will not travel, because light do not having the capacity to penetrate the ball. And so we are getting shadow on other side. That is the part of 7th standard, how shadow get created. But after colliding, what will happen? See here. After colliding, incident ray, after colliding, it returns back in the same medium. So this is called as reflected ray. So this is called as reflection of light. So how will you build the definition of reflection of light? When incident ray is colliding with any surface, it turns back. This phenomenon of light is called as reflection of light. It is up to 9th standard. In 10th standard, we are moving towards this point, that is refraction. Reflection is different part and refraction is different part. See. Now light is traveling from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. Both mediums are transparent, but density of first medium and second medium is different. Maybe first having the higher and second having the lower. Maybe first having the lower and second having the higher. Whatever may be the. First here, transparent to another transparent. See here what is going to happen now. Light is traveling from first transparent medium. This white line indicates boundary of change in the medium. In this side, the left side indicates the first medium which is transparent, and this side is the second transparent medium. Light is traveling from first transparent medium to second transparent medium. That means we are observing someone who is standing behind the glass. And that person also watching us, are he able to see us from that side also? That means from glass, light can travel. Such a called as one transparent medium to another transparent medium. See here, this is the incident ray which is coming from the source. This point is point of incidence where it is going to penetrate this medium now. But because of change in medium, the light should go straight. Because in 7th standard what we have learned, it travels in a straight line from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. It will not follow the same rule. The rule is get changed. And what is that rule? It will not travel in straight path, it will bend. Where it will bend, we will discuss. But now, without traveling straight, it will change its path. And the changing the path, it is a behavior of light. When it travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, such a behavior. Here we have discussed reflection. Such a behavior, such a phenomenon is called as reflection. And this phenomenon is called as refraction of light. This is the main point of lesson. So what is the refraction? See, for refraction, both mediums should be transparent. So how will you define the refraction? Refraction is change in direction of light when going from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. And this is called as refraction of light. Just we have discussed definition of refraction of light. But because of what refraction is there? And so something should be their reason. And the reason is light itself. Means what? Velocity of light is a reason. We can easily walk within this air, but it is tough to walk in a sand, or it is tough to walk in water. Why? Because medium get changed, our velocity get changed. Like this one, velocity of light is not same in all transparent medium. As medium changes, velocity of light also change. So what is the reason? How it depends? See here, velocity of light is inversely proportional, not directly, inversely proportional to density of medium. More the denser medium, less the velocity. Less the denser medium, more the velocity of light we have. For example, see here, vacuum, which is space. Here, particles are not there. So obstruction is less. And so light travel with the great speed. Just here, air, some particles are there. Light is colliding with that particle and so its velocity decreases. As air, when we focus on water, within water, particles are little close to each other than the air that we have discussed. And so, it is a more denser, water is more denser than the air. And so, velocity of light is less in water than the air medium. Again, when we focus on water and diamond, just we can walk water or not, walk within the water or not, but what about diamond? Can we penetrate through this ball? No. Why? Because it is solid. This one is a liquid. This is gaseous one. So generally gases are more rarer than the liquid, and liquid is more rarer than the solid. Diamond's density is more, and so velocity of light is less. So once again focus on this concept. Velocity of light is inversely proportional to density of medium. Density more, velocity of light less. Density less, velocity of light is more. So from this, please tell me where in which medium velocity of light is more. In vacuum, velocity of light is more. And within this, for example, where in having the less velocity of light, in diamond we having less velocity of light. So actually, what is the process of this refraction? To understand the process of refraction, just we are discussing one good example. In childhood, we all are playing with the toy vehicles or not? Suppose there is one toy vehicle. These are wheels. These two are front wheels and these two wheels are rear wheels. And it is moving obliquely. See, when this vehicle is traveling, making perpendicular to the change in the medium, travel straight, making perpendicular. This is a floor which is plane one, and this part we are collected here the sand, and again we having here floor. So tell me, where the velocity of this vehicle is more? Definitely on the floor. When this vehicle entered into sand, it having the more obstruction, and because of more obstruction velocity reduces, and again it reaches to the floor, again velocity increases. Two cases are there. One is perpendicular and second is oblique. See what will happen with the perpendicular. Firstly, when traveling perpendicular, both wheels velocity is same because both wheels are of same vehicle. First and the second wheel. The first wheel reaches the surface at the same time, second wheel also reaches the surface. So both wheels are entering into sand at the same time. And because of this, velocity of both will decrease at the same time, and both will entered in sand at the same time. Both will having the same velocity in the sand, so both will move with the same velocity within the sand and reaches the end of sand. Now they are ready to get entered in on the floor. Just the first will come out from the sand, definitely second wheel will come out from the sand, and both the wheels now on the floor. So both the wheels velocity increases at the same time, and so this vehicle will travel faster. But here see, vehicle has entered perpendicular into sand, moved perpendicular, and again it came out perpendicular. That means when perpendicular vehicle is moving to the surface, there is no change in the path of the vehicle. But now consider, focus on the second example. Now vehicle is making a little angle to the surface. Now see here, this is the first wheel. Will reach this sand, but at the same time second wheel is out of the sand. The first wheel's velocity decreases first and then the second, and so this will travel a more distance because of higher speed, and there is a little bend. So like this situation is going to happen. Now both the wheels are in the sand at the same time, and both wheels will move at the same direction. See, the vehicle should move like this or not, but vehicle is moving like this. That is the change in path. So why it is so? Because velocity of this vehicle is more on the floor than the sand. So because of this, without going straight, it changed its path. What is true with this one? The same thing is going to happen with light. See now, it is not floor, not sand, and not floor again. Now we are focusing on this new medium. This is air medium. This one is a glass medium, and again we having the air medium. Now air medium is rarer medium, so this is also rarer medium. But what about glass? Glass is solid, and so it is denser medium. Now light is traveling from air to glass and glass to again air. That means two times it is changing its medium. First here air to glass, and secondly here glass to air. Now see what will happen. Light is incident ray is traveling, making little angle to the surface. So this point is called as point of incidence. Now just I am going to draw a normal here. The light ray should go straight or not? Yes, but as we discussed in the case of vehicle, same thing is going to happen here. Light rays which are coming here with the form of waves. See here. This end of wave reaches the medium, but here we having the space, and so it will travel little faster.